Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring you have permission and the Btools package loaded. This matters because delete requires authority to change the environment. Once done, open your Tools panel and equip the Delete tool, and make sure your selection mode is set to single or region depending on scope. You should confirm that backups exist or that you're in a safe test place. This prevents accidental loss. Now aim at an unobstructed target object and prepare to execute the removal command. You now focus on precise selection. Pan and zoom so only intended parts are highlighted. This reduces collateral deletion. Once the target is visible, toggle multi-select for multiple items or region select for contiguous groups, because each mode affects how deletion propagates. Make sure selection highlights and the object hierarchy names match your intention. If you need to exclude anchors or scripts, deselect them. Otherwise, you risk losing functional parts. When ready, confirm once more and proceed to activate the delete action. You execute the delete, click or invoke the tool command, and observe instant removal. Watch the console for success or error messages so you know what happened. If deletion fails, check permissions, locked instances, or server-side protections that block changes, because those are common blockers. If something goes wrong, stop, don't repeat destructive steps. Restore from your backup or use an undo plugin if available, and rerun selection after fixing permissions. That final check prevents repeated mistakes and preserves your project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.